The way building materials currently are sold is wrong. For every project, you have to pick all materials from many different suppliers. Instead, we think it should all be sold as kits in right quantities and all the materials already picked up. You only have to choose your project. And that's what Tradespal is, a single place where you can get all materials and in the right quantities. But it's more than that. You can think of it as your assistant, helping you run your daily operations. Let me demonstrate how it works. Okay, so a new customer calls and asks for a quote on some project. I go to Create New Customer page. I fill in customer details and what he wants done. Next, I create a project for that customer, fill in details, and select the source project. And finally, I note when I am meeting with the customer on site to discuss requirements. While meeting the customer on site, I go to Create Initial Quote page. First, I select the project. Next step is Survey. Here I navigate between the project specifics using Project Tree, and as I discuss requirements with the customer, I make the relevant choices. I can add and remove modules. I also take site dimensions and enter those. Once finished here, I click Next. In Build step, I can modify any materials or labor tasks. Then comes the all-important financial step. Here I can see how much the project is going to cost as well as my profits, VAT, etc. So I can tell the customer straight away what the ballpark figure is. After I'm done with financials, a specification is generated. Finally, the app takes me to the Print Documents page where I can print out the quote. So, all in all, I can generate a quote on site. Gone are days when I had to work after my work. Before I finish, I would like to show the Create Final Quote page. Here you will find additional steps, quantities, schedule, and orders. In Quantities step, you check and modify materials quantities, labor tasks duration. Schedule is a guide for you and your customer to know when and what is supposed to be happening. In orders, you will be able to create your materials orders. You can create these either by adding individual items quantities or by adding whole categories of items. The schedule is handy here, it will help you to decide when the order needs to be placed. And in financials, previously I did not show, you can create payments. Here the schedule again helps you to decide what the payment date needs to be. Once you set the payment date, the app will show you the suggested payment amount. Finally, Dashboard page is where you will see your upcoming actions with customers, payments, and orders. Expand the action, order, or payment and you will see the details. From here you can navigate to the project financials or orders page. The charts we included show you a bit of statistics on how your business is doing. Leads and projects chart shows you what your conversion rate is. Orders amounts show you how much you have spent on supplies. Contract values and gross profit chart shows your profitability. The app can be used on any device. This video was filmed on a desktop screen. Here is how this page would look on a tablet. And here, how it would appear on a phone. Hopefully this video has fully answered the question, what is Tradespal, and, most importantly, showed you why you should start using it.